All right, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your system or to set in your trading view on your system. Okay, so I'm using a Chrome device on a desktop mode, so I will teach you how you can get more info from this site. Okay, so you want to set your trading view, you want to use it to trade future trading, to trade forex trading, stock or whatever. This is just a full guide on how you could go about it. First, you come to this place and click. Then second, you select products. Now look here, just taking you to this part of it where you will click on super chats. Okay, now when it takes you to this place, the next thing to do here is to choose what you want. Okay, you can log in your account and do whatever thing you want to do. Okay, for lecture purpose, let me just go straight to the point of what I want to do. Now let's assume I want crypto Bitcoin. You click on watch list. Now this is watch list and is at the right place there on watch list. So we'll leave there. Then we move down to what? Look at crypto here. Look at crypto. We click under crypto. You choose the coin you want to use. For instance, let's assume I want to trade on BTC, and BTC is what I actually want to trade on. So the best thing to do is to search for BTC and add. As I said, you have to click on this plus here. When you click it, it takes you here. You search for what you want to search for. Okay, you search for anything you want to search for. BTC, let's say I want to search for BTC USDT, BTC USDT perpetual. Okay, perpetual. So I can use .p. .p will also give you perpetual. So when you use .p, it will give you perpetual. Then good, look at it, .p perpetual, and remember that I'm not trying to sign in. That is just my problem. I don't want to sign in. Okay, guys, let me just log in then I'll continue from there. All right. Okay, so I've signed in. As I said, click this plus so that it will take you to where to select your coin. Then you come here, you type BTC USDT .p. Now the first one, we're going to use Binance. Okay, we have others to use here, but let's use Binance. All right, let's use Binance. So you click on Binance, as I said earlier, it will load. Binance has been added by looking at this place. Look here, look here, look at the sign there. So that shows that Binance has been added. All right, so let's continue. Let's look for what we want here. You click the coin you want there. So you see, as soon as I click here shows me .p. That shows that is it there. So you click it. Now this is Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin. So that is just a simple method of doing the right thing your um, on your trading view. All right, so maybe the next class we're going to look at some important things on how to set your indicator. However, there are ways to check technical issues on TradingView, and this is where we come to. Okay, so this, let me just put this to you, that this is telling you that BTC currently is on a sell, however is not on a strong sell rather. So if you want to verify more on this, all you just need to do is to click more technicals. More technicals. I'm not taking on technical analysis, so I won't go deep on these aspects. I'm only just teaching you one or two things that you just need to know. Now look here. Look at this. This is the summary. This is the summary of the moving average and the oscillator. Okay. This is the summary. The first one there is the summary of the oscillator and the moving average. So if you look here very well, on sell on moving average is 11 plus 2 on sell of the oscillator will give you 13 on the summary. So this is to tell you that BTC is actually weak, is selling, and if dollar strength is also strong, it means short BTC more. So that is just little fundamental, a bonus class that I do give to people. That is what I have given to you. Okay, so in our next class I'll be teaching you how to set your indicator on TradingView, depending on the indicator you want to use. Okay, it's a very simple thing. You just go there, set it, and start using it. And also, I believe you really know how to pick your tools. Know how to pick your tools from this side. Okay, this is your tool bar that you need to use very well. And also, you know how to set your time frame. Let me just give you that also, how to set your time frame. How to set your time frame from here. Okay, so all you just need to do is click on this particular place here. This particular place, just click on it. Just click on this particular place there. Yeah, just click there. Let me show you again. You just click there. Good. So you click there. When you click it, you see all the time frame is showing. So it just left for you. For instance, you can tell this star here. This star is the actual thing you need to tell. You tell them and choose the one you want. Okay, for instance, you pick a daily, you also stare weekly, you stares monthly, you stars months, then you also stars you also stars 1 hour, 4 hours. Okay, you pick 4 hours also, you pick 1 hour, depend on you. Okay, any day you want to pick, you just pick them all and start using it. And that is just how to go about this work called TradingView. So next I'm going to be teaching you how to install your indicator. Thanks, and God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.